First, we do this multiplication, 1 over 7 times 7. We can easily cancel this 7 and this 7, so here we have just 1. And 7 divided by 1 is just 7. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So this answer is not correct. So first we have to do this division, 7 divided by 1 over 7. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 7. Okay, first we do this multiplication. 7 times 7 gives us 49. So 49 times 7. Okay, 7 times 9 gives us 63. So we write 3 here and carry 6 here. 7 times 4 gives us 28. So 28 plus 6 gives us 34. So we have 343. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 343.